Amazon Elastic Container Services, or ECS, is a fully managed container management service that allows you to easily run applications on a managed cluster of EC2 instances. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 7 things about the Amazon ECS service in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, Amazon ECS eliminates the need for you to install and operate your own cluster management infrastructure. With simple API calls, you can launch and stop container-enabled applications and query the state of your cluster. Number 2, you can use Amazon ECS to schedule container placement across your cluster based on your resource needs and availability requirements. Number 3, Amazon ECS integrates well with AWS features such as elastic load balancing, EBS volumes, Amazon VPC, and IAM. Number 4, as of this recording, Docker is the only container platform supported by Amazon ECS. Number 5, Amazon ECS can run with Amazon EC2, AWS Fargate, or even with on-premises infrastructure with Amazon ECS Anywhere. Number 6, you can use Amazon ECS on AWS Outpost to run containerized applications that require particularly low latencies to on-premises systems. Last but not the least, number 7, there is no additional charge for Amazon ECS. You pay for AWS resources you create to run your application. You only pay for what you use, and there are no minimum fees or upfront commitments. In summary, Amazon ECS allows you to run highly secure and reliable containers on AWS at scale without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.